I have this to say to the modern young girl, gentlemen. Be free. Express yourself. Take your life in your own hands and mold it. The world will try to rob you of your freedom, but fight for it. It's all you have to live for. That's all for the modern girl, gentlemen. What else? Ask me anything.
That wire is bugging me. Okay. Obviously, sewing portion is finished. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to That's All for the Modern Girl. My name is Caitlin and I'm so happy to have you. Today I'm going to be taking a dress that was a hand-me-down to me and transforming it into a cute summer top. I find myself so inspired in the summer season and I always run out of time and am never able to complete all of the ideas that I'm imagining I'm going to put into real looks for my summer season. So I'm really grateful that this is one that has come to life. Now, normally my inspiration comes from places like movies or TV shows or Pinterest. This has been a really special project, however, because I found myself creating a new look based off of a new source of inspiration. And that inspiration came from Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a jewelry company based in Brooklyn, New York. And they reached out to me this past spring asking if I wanted to work with them. Of course, the first thing that I did was go and check out their website to see what they were all about. And that's exactly what I did. I went to their About section to read up on them. And I'm gonna tell you that it was an impressive About section and it was enlightening to me. I have done my share of research and learning about the fashion world and the massive carbon footprint that they're leaving behind through fast fashion, but I had never really considered jewelry. And the fact that when I went to look at Ana Luisa, part of their core principles is crafting jewelry with the planet in mind. They are carbon neutral and climate neutral certified, offsetting 100% of their carbon footprint. With a lovely mission like that, the next step was to go and take a peek at their jewelry. And I'm not going to sit here and say that if they were just a carbon neutral company and the pieces that they had were not appealing, I would have worked with them. I am style conscious enough to say that if I did not enjoy the pieces that I saw on their website, I would not be here talking about them right now. And so I picked out a few pieces from their site and have been wearing them ever since. Ana Luisa sent me 3 pieces that I got to pick out, and let me tell you, it was so hard to pick out just 3. First up, I have a pair of the Paris Small Pave earrings on, and I just love the detail of that twist in the hoop and the small size of the earring. I'm not big on like really large earrings, so I just love the little touch of shimmer that the one twist gives us, matched with a regular gold on the other part of the twist. I also received this beautiful necklace called the Hayden necklace, and immediately when I saw it, I just had to have it. It was so stunning, and I could immediately picture myself wearing it with blouses and sweaters in the fall, and just knowing that it was a piece that I was going to be wearing year-round. And lastly, I received a pair of the mini Kanoko blue earrings, which reminded me immediately of Delft ware. They're hand-painted, and that makes each set its own unique earring and design. Take a peek at their timeless jewelry using the link in the description box below, and don't forget to use my code to get 20% off. It's going to be the Modern Girl 20. Let me know in the comments below what you pick out. As mentioned before, the inspiration for today's look is actually coming from these pieces that I received. So once I got them in the mail, I decided to take a look at what I had here and create something that I thought would pair nicely with every single piece that I got. I like to think that that's a nice reflection on their pieces and my style. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi everyone. So we're going to be taking this lovely linen dress with the beautiful scallop detail and transforming it into this top with these half sleeves, quite literally. I don't know if I'm going to have enough of the scalloped edging to be able to do the frills for the sleeves. Definitely going to have it, oh, focus. Definitely going to have enough for the waist portion, but we're going to have to stay tuned and find out if there will be enough for both of the sleeves, and if not, I think I can whip something up. I don't know. I mean, that's part of the fun of doing a flip like this, is that you just go with it and see what happens. So let's get to it. That's so not right. Okay. I need you two seams to be in line with one another. Okay. Oh, you can't see, sorry.
On this near side, we got Alex Morgan and Fox. They might be on the end of this, ultimately.
Julie Ertz, who's deadly in the air. Sullivan lost one on. Headed down the
Penalty.
If the mic is working.
After on-field review, the final decision is penalty kick.
Yes!
A few moments later.
I did it wrong.
Support. There was U.S. Morgan who's jogging on the sideline, wanting back in.
Son of a bitch.
Here we are again. Here's the thing. I've worked on this for about 24 hours and I don't like it. So there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, yes, there is something wrong with it. I think that the directions of putting in a zipper that doesn't come completely undone is dumb. It's not easy to get on. It's not easy to get off. It's just a kind of blah look, design. I don't think it's anything special. And if I'm gonna put this much time into something that I'm creating, naturally it should be something that I'm excited about. And I thought this was gonna be it, but it's not. So I'm looking for some inspiration, going rogue, and seeing if I can turn this into something that I am excited about. So please hold. The first thing that I knew I needed to fix was the fit, so I went ahead and I removed the vintage zipper, even though it crushed me to do so, because now I just have this like 4-inch vintage zipper for a future project. I don't know, but I'm really still bitter that I cut into it. Anyways, I decided to replace it with some elastic, and that's what you see me doing right here, putting the elastic through the channel. From there, I just sewed up the back where, whoa, can you hear that? Thunder, sorry. Anyways, I just sewed up the back, and that was it. Then it was time to start playing around with the trim, and I had realized that I really liked the idea of having the trim somehow draped over my shoulders. So I settled on this look that is inspired by some outfits that I've seen in the 1950s, but also in the mid, 19th century?
1852, Dumpling. 1852, not the Dark Ages.
Probably. So a little bit of 2 centuries together. Then it was just a matter of finding the placement and pinning it down so that I could sew it into place. I didn't really touch on this earlier, but this was about 1,000 times easier to get on and off than the zipper version that I put in before. Oh my gosh, we finally did it. Ah, oh my word. We're here. We have arrived. I am so much happier with this than with the other design. So here we are, ready for the big reveal. I'm so bad at this. Whatever. Thank you all so much for joining me on this adventure. It is always an adventure, isn't it? And don't forget to take a look at some of Ana Luisa's timeless pieces using the link in the description box below. And when you do, make sure that you use my code, TheModernGirl20, to receive 20% off. All right. Oh, and if you're new around here and you have not yet subscribed, please do. I would love to have you. Okay. All right, everyone. Please take care. I will see you all in the next one. Bye. Oh my gosh, I'm blind. It's so bright.